We got a fun little spot here. You can play bags, have a snack, get something to eat, have a drink right here along the lake. Also a place you can hop on the tour boats. Nice little place to relax along the river. Just another nice feature of the Riverwalk. No alcohol behind this point, so start chugging. Don't have a beer with me, but if I did, I guess that would be the MO. Really cool feature you got up here. They got these quad bikes you can rent, ride around on the path, ride down the bike path. Pretty cool. Looks like somebody's renting one here. You can fit the whole family in. You can put somebody in the front. You can get people in the back and pedal. Definitely a must do in Chicago. Pretty fun thing. The quad bikes down here by the river. Coming up here on the historic Michigan Avenue Bridge and historic Michigan Avenue itself. So over to the right, you've got the Wrigley Building, which is a very historic building here, also associated with Wrigley Field. Been around for a long time, landmark here in the city of Chicago, just on the northwest side of the river here, northwest from us. And we're walking that way, so we'll get a little bit closer of a look. But you can see there's some more little beer gardens out here, places to have a drink, get some food. What we walked through about hour ago, it was super busy, but you see it's died down a little bit because a little bit later we didn't get all that video the first rodeo because the camera went off. But now we're catching it all, so you get a little bit different view. A little bit quieter, which is kind of nice. Also, you get a little bit different view with the sun and how it reflects off the building. So neat to see all our architecture, how it kind of changes in different light. We're going to stop here and check where we're at. All right.
So it was like things weren't open, like, so I'm sure it's better. I'm sure it's better now. But it was kind of like
So we're getting closer and closer to Michigan Ave. You can see all the different tour boats over here to the right. You got architectural tours. You got just river tours. You got boats you can rent for weddings. You got boats you can rent for all kinds of different events. Cool stuff to see, cool stuff to do. You can take a water taxi from the river to Navy Pier. Highly suggest if you're in Chicago getting out on a boat and going somewhere because there's a lot to see, neat way to travel, really pretty economical here as well. It's a great deal for what you get, as well as really relaxing. You just get to sit down, enjoy the beauty of this majestic city, enjoy the river, enjoy the sights and all the architecture that we got here in Chicago. So we're coming up underneath Michigan Avenue Bridge, what they call the Mag Mile, Magnificent Mile. A lot of shopping up above on Michigan Avenue, all kinds of places, pretty much anything your heart could desire. I'm sure you could find it on Michigan Avenue or one of the streets right off Michigan Avenue as far as shopping. So if you look up above us, they've got basically this stainless steel or metal right up above us that protects us from anything that's going to fall off the bridge, because it's actually a drawbridge. It moves up and down, so keep the grease and everything else off you. Sounds like people over there on the river are having a good time. We'll take a look to the right here. All right, we got some party people, it looks like, on the pontoon. Probably had a great day out on the lake, so even more reason to get a boat. Looks like they're having a good time. Trying to keep from photobombing people's selfies and pictures here, so we're just going to continue. Actually, if you look to our right, and not the pontoon party people, but the blue boat there over to the right, that's actually an electric boat. So very clean, very environmentally friendly. But you can actually also rent those boats here and take them out on the river for an hour or two. Tour the river yourself. Kind of a unique way to get to go see it. Actually not too bad, because they can fit about 6 to 8 people, maybe even a little bit more on those boats. So if you want to look into renting a boat, taking a little tour yourself, DIY, you can definitely do that too. Those blue electric